Hi, my name's Rob, and in this Samara James video we're looking at hearts and arrows and specifically what that means. When you're looking at diamonds, you'll often find terms to describe the quality of the stone which do not form part of the grading assessment from a laboratory like the GIA. In this video, we're going to look at one of those in particular, known as hearts and arrows. As we explained in our diamond cut video, when the main grading laboratories assess the cut grade of a diamond, it's worked out with an average of 8 facets in the pavilion, which is the bottom section of the stone, and 8 facets in the crown, which is the top, together with the table facet, which is that main central one. Whilst this is a good starting point to judge the cut of the diamond, it doesn't define the other 40 facets, nor does it prevent the angles of individual facets of a diamond being adjusted in order to maximise the carat weight or to remove an impurity from the diamond. Hearts and arrows looks at the optical symmetry of a stone, that is to say, making sure that every group of facets is positioned in exactly the same angle in a round brilliant diamond. This isn't to be confused with the symmetry grade of a diamond, which is something quite different. That's where the corners of each facet meet. The term hearts and arrows comes from the pattern displayed in a perfectly cut, round brilliant diamond with perfect internal optical symmetry when viewed using a special viewer. When you look through the stone from above through the viewer, you'll see a series of 8 perfectly formed arrows on a standard 57 facet round brilliant diamond. When you turn the stone upside down and you look through the bottom, you'll see 8 perfectly formed hearts. There's nothing different in terms of the number or arrangement of the facets compared to any other standard round brilliant stone. There are still 57 facets on the diamond. It just means that every facet is cut to the ideal angle, creating perfect optical symmetry. A common misconception is that a diamond which is known as a triple X or a triple excellent stone, which means it has excellent cut, excellent polish and excellent symmetry, will also display hearts and arrows. However, unfortunately, this isn't the case. As we've seen, these grades are based on an average of certain facets, so they don't look at the optical symmetry of the diamond. If we look at these two stones as an example, the diamond on the left of your screen has been perfectly cut, not only being triple excellent, but it also has perfect hearts and arrows. The stone on the right is also triple excellent, so it has been cut to a very high standard, but it does not have perfect optical symmetry. In this particular example, the hearts and arrows pattern diamond on the left has evenly distributed fire and sparkle, whereas the non-hearts and arrows is still very sparkly in patches, but in some areas perhaps it lacks a little bit. If we switch to our lighting type where we can judge the pattern brightness of the same two diamonds, you can see that the hearts and arrows diamond is a little bit brighter compared to the excellent cut diamond. It also has a better contrast pattern. Now we can isolate the fire of the diamond. The term fire describes the flashes of colour that you see when the white light is refracted through the diamond, creating dispersion, the colours of the light spectrum, when the diamond is moved. In the hearts and arrows diamond, there's a little bit more fire that's evenly distributed across the stone, whereas the triple excellent diamond, without hearts and arrows, lacks a little in certain parts of the stone. This example shows that even when you compare two diamonds that are both graded to an excellent level, you can see differences in the levels of fire, scintillation and brilliance, which is viewable to the naked eye. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to talk about hearts and arrows more, please do get in touch. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.